I would like to thank VBT Boob Tape for sponsoring today's video, and I highly appreciate them for sending this boob tape over to try with y'all. And they also gave me a discount code to leave down below as well in the description box, so that y'all can get some money off when you shop. As you can see, they sent me over 2 rolls of boob tape, the brown, which really don't match my skin tone, but that's okay. It's still appreciated. And they also sent over a black roll as well. And VBT boob tape is seamless with thin edges that disappear under your clothing, and it also fits bra cup sizes from A to a G cup. Yes, y'all, a G cup. And they also sent me over some double-sided tape. That way we don't have to worry about no nip slips. And they also sent over some nipple covers, one of them being silicone. And VBT boob tape is water resistant, skin friendly, it is breathable, and it is made with medical grade material. Once again, the discount code will be linked down below for you guys. Now let's get into this Shein haul. Hey y'all, it's me, Ariel, and welcome back to my channel. And today I got a cool, dope Shein haul for y'all. I grabbed a few pieces, not too much. Probably, well, I ain't gonna tell y'all how many, but it's just a few pieces, so I just got a little haul for y'all today. So if y'all want to see what I got from Shein, make sure you stay tuned. And before you continue, make sure you like the video up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so let's get started. This first piece that I have today, y'all, let me step all the way back so that y'all can see. I got this cute little black and white romper, and it buttons up all the way to the top, so yeah. Then I like this butterfly collar type of vibe. I think that's real cute. But this is how it's looking. Not too short and not too long, and it's very stretchy, y'all. And down below I will link all the sizes in these things, because I don't remember what sizes I got and what, and I done already put this one on, so yeah. I'm pretty sure it's probably an extra large. No, I think I got a 1X in this, because they were saying like size up in the comments. So I believe this is a 1X, but to be sure, y'all make sure y'all drop down in the description box and check out the link below. I have my sizes down there. So this is number 1. And this is so cute, y'all. I like it, and it's so stretchy and so comfortable. Like, and I feel like you can dress this up or down however you want to do it, whatever your vibe is. Okay, next, y'all, I got this cute, it's like a, I don't even know if I am to call it cargo or what, because it got this pocket, but I guess it's a cute little cargo denim type of material skirt. And then I also got this shirt, and y'all been seeing these shirts been trending, so yeah, Shein had it, so I had to grab it. And I also got this shirt in another color, and I'm gonna show y'all that next. But this is what it's looking like, and I paired both of these together. I thought this would be a cute little outfit, so I can't wait to go out with this on. This is so cute. I feel cute, I feel trendy, I like it. And this shirt is pretty stretchy. It's like a stretchy material, so it is kind of short, y'all. It comes like right here, like that's the end of it. So if you wanted a little bit longer, I would suggest sizing up so that it can be longer. And I think I got a 3X in this shirt. I did size up tremendously, because in the comments, of course, on Shein, they were saying that the shirt does run kind of short. So yeah, and then I got big boobs already, which would have pulled it up more anyway. So yeah, I sized up to a 3X, and I'm normally an extra large to a 1X. Whew, I'm running out of breath, y'all. Trying to tell y'all all this, but this skirt, it came with this belt, and I just tucked the belt in right here, because it's, you know, it'll just flap if not. And then you can like pull it in, tug it different type of ways. But yeah, it comes with this belt, and then it's got one pocket on the side, which is good. I like that. I don't mind at all having extra pockets. You can always use the extra pocket along with your purse. So yeah, and this is what, let me turn all the way around to show y'all. This is what it looked like. And I think this is so cute, y'all. I love this. I love everything that I got, honestly, but this is really cute. Okay, y'all, this next outfit that I paired together, it's the same shirt as the one that I just showed y'all, but it's in white. And I'm gonna show y'all this, and it's the same thing, the exact same shirt, it's just in white, and it's cut short as well, just like the other one. And then I got these jogger pants, y'all. If y'all can hear These remind me of them old school swish joggers that we used to wear back in the day. That's what these remind me of. And they got elastic back here, which I like. And also, they are V-cut in the front. I don't think y'all can tell, but they V-cut in the front. Y'all can see my shapewear under there. Yeah, and I like that V-cut in the front. I feel like it like pulls you in, pulls in your fupa or whatever. So I like that for my girls that got fupas out there. And the back, now these do not have any stretch, y'all. So I did have to size up in these. They don't have no stretch. So by the grace of God, they fit perfectly. So I don't have to worry about that. But if you got a big booty, it do got elastic right here in the back, but the actual material doesn't stretch. And at the bottom, y'all can't tell, but at the bottom they got drawstrings at the bottom, and I like that too. So you can wear them baggy at the bottom, or you can like cinch them in with the drawstring. So yeah, I think this outfit is pretty cute, and I plan on wearing these like this outfit with some dunks or something like that. I think that'll be real cute. So that's how we're gonna style these whenever I do wear it. So this is that. And remember, y'all, all the sizes will be linked down below in the description box. So that's a little twirl, how it looks all the way around. Okay, y'all, and the next thing that we got, let me pull y'all down a little bit. Okay, the next thing we got are these, I don't know if to call them joggers or what, but they like the little scrunch leg pants with the split right there. So I hope that y'all can see all the way to the floor with these. So yeah, they scrunch up. They kind of skinny at the bottom and they scrunch up, and these got a lot of stretch, y'all. Y'all can size down in these. I actually got a size large in these. So yeah, I like these because they got a lot of stretch, y'all. They so comfortable. And I'm actually gonna order more of these in different colors just to, you know, throw on just a little quick one too. I like these. And then I guess pull y'all back up. I guess we can pair it with this shirt that I got as well. And I don't really care for this shirt, y'all. It was cute on the model, but I don't really care for it. As you can see, it's like that Renaissance type of vibe. And the what they call this, lattice, I think that's what they call it. The lattice neck, how it's like curled up. And it's also like that on the sleeves and at the bottom of it. So let me just put this on and show y'all. I don't really care for it. It's thin and it's see-through, y'all. So make sure you wear like a cute bra or something up under it, cause it's definitely gonna be see-through. What size did I get in this while I'm looking at it? I got this in a 2X, y'all. Let's see. Okay, yeah, blah. I don't know. I'm gonna have to dress it up and see how I like it dressed up, but I don't like it with these pants. I know that for sure. So I don't know. Maybe I'll try like, maybe like a faux leather skirt or like faux leather pants or something like that. I don't know, y'all. I ain't really feeling this too much. But this is what it looked like. I don't know. I'm looking in my phone too, y'all, because I'm trying to make a reel at the same time. So, looking at my phone, it's all right. I think it's these pants. Stuff don't really hit for me if I don't see it like how I would wear it as a full outfit. I don't know. So I'm gonna have to get like a faux leather skirt. I got a few pairs of faux leather pants. So I don't know. I'm gonna try out with that and see if I like it with some heels or whatever. So yeah, I'm just trying to get up close so that y'all can see. I don't know, y'all might like it. I'm gonna leave it down below anyway, because you know my taste, not everybody's taste. Everybody's taste ain't my taste, so somebody might like it. So I'll leave it below for y'all. Okay, next y'all, I got the same pants that I just showed y'all in black. I actually got them in chocolate brown. I really forgot that I got these in chocolate brown. So yeah, and they also had them in gray and baby pink. I'm gonna order those two colors as well, because I really like these little pants. So yeah, and then I got let me show y'all this top with these teddy bears on it, and it said to size up in this top, and I did, and it's actually kind of big. It's kind of loose right there. Yeah, because they were saying if you got big boobs you need to size up, but yeah, I think I might send this back and order a smaller size. Maybe not. I mean, because it'll do, but I think it'd be cuter if it was more like more cinched. Yeah. And another thing, y'all, this top also came with, well, it didn't come with, but they have the same print in a bag and a ball cap. I didn't get the ball cap, but I did get the bag to go with it, y'all. Look at this. Now tell me that is not cute. And y'all can either, if you don't get this top, you can get the bag with the ball cap or whatever. That'll be real cute with the outfit. Or you can just do the top and the hat. Whatever you choose, whatever your vibe is. But I got the bag and the shirt. And I like this, y'all. This is so cute. Let me step back so y'all can kind of see the whole thing. I hate how my camera be angled. Sorry, y'all. I'm twisting y'all all kind of ways. But yeah, this is what the full outfit is looking like. And it's pretty cute. And last but not least, y'all know I had to throw in one of these little Shein activewear sets. They activewear really be hitting, like it really do. And this set right here is so cute. It's in chocolate brown, and they also had it in other colors, y'all. And this material is so stretchy and so comfortable. And it's like, it's kind of ruched right here in the front, and it's also high waist. It comes all the way up here, and it's also ruched in the back. You can see the back is ruched as well. It's got like the butt, yeah, to make your butt look bigger. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. So yeah, this is the last outfit, and I like this too, y'all. You can wear this on the go. You can wear this in the gym. Like, I can actually put this on and go to the gym and work out and be comfortable and don't have to feel like nothing is gonna roll and all that. So yeah, and this girl, this material, they did that big one with this material, no lie. And I'm gonna turn to the side so y'all can see how it like sucked me in. It sucks you in so good, y'all. I look real snatched, real snatched. So yeah, this is the last outfit, y'all, and I want to thank y'all for staying tuned. And if you made it this far, thank you for watching the entire video. And before you leave, make sure you like this video up and subscribe to my channel, because I will be coming with more content. So yeah, I know I've been away for a while, y'all, but I'm slowly but surely coming back. So I guess I will see y'all in my next video. And y'all make sure y'all stay peaceful and stay positive and be blessed.